So today I'm going to show you how I make latte macchiato medici all power cappuccino. This is like the Cecotec. Normally I always use this with cappuccino because I always love cappuccino. So how I manage this is at first I will do the milk first, no? So the filter, how do you call this, the coffee filter, I will make it empty. It's much better, and make it close good. And I think I need to put it out in this area because it's not needed anyway, that it can be glue. So that would be what I will do first. Okay. And because for this one I will make the normal, the one cappuccino, small cappuccino, and it will work like this. So look at that. Actually I do it last time, but it's in a small coffee pot, so good that I also have this kind of glass. On a liquid is good. And of course after this you need to be careful because it's still hot, because I need to remove this and I will put the coffee. I think I need to be extra careful because sometimes I'm still water in. Now that I already put coffee, it depends if you want to be very strong coffee or the normal coffee. Strong, you can make it full, but I only use the normal Nescafe. That's the reason to practice this machine that you can use. And I will put it in. So look at that, that is it. And actually this one is still no more really needed. And I will do the espresso here. I have small and the double espresso. So I'll press it here because I have much more bigger glass. So espresso, and look what is it. Also put a lot of coffee if you really like, yeah, but as you can see, it's for me it's already, yeah, it's get better. You can see that it's really working good for coffee macchiato. Yeah, so that's it. And oh, look at it, it's nice. It's nice done, yeah. But anyway, if I still have a lot, I can still put a little bit one more. I'll press it one more here because I have still enough space for the glass. That's it, it's doing good. Only to make it full. It will be enough. So as you can see, this is the result. Hey, it's moving. See, look at that. A little bit messy here. So look at that. So it's really doing good. Yeah, for me, I already tried last time. It's really good done anyway. So let's have a good coffee for today. The Latte Matcchiato. Looks good, yeah.